A friend of mine from the neighboring homestead is here to mill some studs and sidings for his house. He has cut down a few trees, enough to build a new bathroom. Today he will saw some 2x4 and some 1x8. Here he has squared up the log to 8-inch wide, so now he will start milling the boards 1 inch thick. The first cut will be the lid, or whatever that is called in English. And after that he will cut the first board. There will be some live edge, but we can use that. Then it's just to go back and forward with the mill. The mill has an automatic system, so 1 inch feed down every time. From this log we get out 7 boards of 1x8. This log is not perfect, but it's good enough. When all the lumber is ready, there is about $2,500 worth of lumber, and that took about 1 full day. We worked for 2 days, but we didn't work that hard. We will only let the material dry for approximately 5 weeks, and after that we will use it. That is not a problem as long as we don't use the insulation and everything at the same time, but let it dry out after building